Once upon a time in a land long, long ago, when I was a child, before there was dirt or birds, we would do this as a special occasion with the family. Jiffy Pop. It's as much fun to make as it is to eat. So you put it on there. Probably better on a gas stove, but
Not old time anymore.
yeah.
Not gas stove.
Yeah. So put it on there and wait till it starts.
I can smell it.
It'll start to sizzle. You can smell it. Steam comes out.
Whoa.
Children everywhere burn their hands. It was great.
I will go over there. I'm scared.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's like 4th of July. Then you shake it. Once it starts
Stinky.
popping and crackling like that.
Oh, that is that spice that you didn't wipe it out. That's what smells.
Well, it's that or it's the butter in the Jiffy Pop.
Really?
Yeah, see that yellow over there? That's butter that's leaked out.
Oh.
I hope it doesn't detonate and blow up.
Oh no. That's why I'm this one. Keep on this one. Keep on this one.
I like the popping colors.
Oh, I'm scared.
Say, look at that.
I can hear the popping. And a smoke. Ooh.
Oh my.
Do you have to do that?
Yep.
Ooh, watch out. It's gonna go into your eyes.
You're going to shake it.
I can smell it. I smell the popcorn. Oh! I'm gonna back up a little bit. Back up, back
I'm
up.
not sure I got that hot now. It says medium heat. I'm not sure what medium heat is on our stove.
That's his medium.
Should have told us how many dots.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh my.
Getting bigger!
You want to shake it? I'm tired.
Be careful. Pull your eyes away from it.
Do it like on point. Gotta keep shaking. Keep moving. Shake it
Popcorn,
back.
popcorn.
Smells like burning.
Yeah. It's burning there. Experiment. No, that's not experiment. It's real.
Well, experiment is real. Can be real.
Maybe you didn't attach in the bottom.
Yeah.
The other side is...
Yeah, keep it flat.
Yeah.
Just touching. Keep shaking it aggressively. And maybe you could go back and forth.
Oh, yeah. Is it hot?
No.
It's already 4 minutes. Is it done or is it burned?
It's not that. It gets,
Big?
should get big like your head.
Oh, but it's smoking so hard.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, it's so smoky.
Smoke alarm will go. Smoke alarm will go up.
Yeah, it's gassing me.
Yeah.
Let's quit popping, but
Yeah.
that's paltry. In the old days, it'd get like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. it'd
Maybe
get
it's too
huge.
hot. Oh, there you go. There
There
you
it is.
Oh.
go. Like a head.
Yeah.
I just need to turn the fan on.
Oh. That's what it is. gassing
Oh
us.
my gosh.
I think this is probably best done over a campfire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's done, Han. Because it's burnt over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, burnt there.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Look at the smoke.
Oh.
Oh my
Turn
god.
that back on.
Can't breathe.
Oh my god.
The smoking so hard.
It used to be, they did like that.
Oh. Ah!
But if this didn't work out, we still have regular.
How are you gonna open it? Open it.
Not
Wait,
yet.
you wait till it cools, and then you just tear it with a knife or something, flour it open.
Oh.
Right. Very thin. Yeah, see, this just didn't blow up as big as it
Oh.
normally does.
Oh my.
Oh, that looks like trash.
That's why. Oh no.
Yeah, see, that's just
How old was
all
that?
failed.
That's what.
But it says used by some date in 2025.
I think maybe we turned the heat up too
Too
much.
high.
Well, it said medium high, and I turned it to
Or medium, but maybe that's
less medium or
Maybe
less
it's
than
so hot.
medium.
Oh.
I think they meant medium low.
It smells really bad. It smells
Yeah.
burnt. That's why.
It smells like that looks right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't smell popcorn at all. That's what happened. Well, sorry.
Well, okay. Memories from my childhood. There it is. Nothing but ash and trash.
And the smell is really bad.
Yeah.
Oh,
Other than
It's
that,
okay.
though, you know,
can I eat it?
You can probably eat some of those.
Maybe it's hot.
there's probably about 12 kernels we could eat.
Yeah.
Or not. They don't
Yeah.
look burnt, but they taste burnt.
It tastes really bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so much for that. Let's go get another popcorn.
Tastes like
Yeah.
chemicals.
Yeah.
Ah, crap.
Okay. That's all.
It's okay.
That's all we got. Let's get another popcorn. Bye.
It's okay.
Where's our